Thank you for buying this 15990-4 handle from Fixture Displays. These handles are designed for closet handles. They are fake handles. Essentially, they don't turn. You simply pull to open. This works with the door thickness from 1.38 all the way to 1.77 inch thick. The handle is about 4.7 inches long. It's made from zinc alloy with the copper guts. The hardware is provided. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other consumer and business products we have to offer. This handle series, we also have different configurations from bathroom privacy to passage doors. If you have a custom requirement, we love the opportunity to manufacture for you. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.